Because I tell you what, she don't want to do that.
This is walking. No safety rope, no parachute.
You know, she won't be on that wing.
That's a sink. Now he adds some power. Very slow. He's a master with that airplane. 60, maybe 65. Airplane cruises at 85. Okay, she is between the wings. She's going to do the human javelin, flying javelin on the next pass. There you
She
go.
already did.
$2 a piece, folks. Step right up, kids. You're going to want this for the ball.
He's a little slow.
Rachel
She already
will
did.
sign.
She was
Yes,
just on
there's
the
a
ball.
woman walking the wings. She's
Now
going
she
to
gonna
sign
hang
your
on
posters.
down.
You're going to want this on your bedroom wall for later on when you
She
go
was
home.
just on the jab. When it come around this side. She's out on the end of the wing now. Gonna hang upside down. Missed the jab.
Okay, this pass, Rachel will be between the wings,
No, she ain't. She's on the end of the wing, Chris.
suspended in the flying wires
No, she
that
ain't.
hold the wings together.
She'll be on the end of the wing. Upside down. Bubba. She's sitting there and get ready to hang upside down. She's slow, Chris. She's slow.
No, she's out in the end now.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what it says.
She's
She's
going to
already
lower
on the
herself
jab.
under the wing. You ready? Hanging down under the wing. Smoke on. There she goes, hanging under the wing by her feet.
How big is it?
Now comes the wing walk in reverse. She has to get back into the cockpit. Again, Chuck Tippett, a master of keeping that airplane slow without falling out of the sky. That's very tricky. It takes a lot of practice. A lot of wing walking pilots they zoom around, but Chuck can bring it back and let the wing walkers get into that cockpit with a minimum of wind blast. Just throttle back, shallow glide, it's a sink, so she can get into the cockpit.
She's in.
The legendary Boeing Stearman, named after Lloyd Stearman, KDET, Model 75. Used in the Army and the Navy and the Marines in World War II as a primary trainer. The biggest
She's
thing
getting
was
up
put
top.
on. Rachel's going to now climb up to the top wing. Again, Chuck's got to drop way back. There she is. What we're going to do now is the wing walking loop. We will loop the airplane with Rachel on the top wing. At the bottom of the loop, when you enter the loop, you hit 130 miles an hour. Okay, you get pushed down into the top of the wing. But at the top of the loop, when you come up to the top, you're weightless, and she'll be hanging by her feet. So step right up, get those posters, ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls, Rachel's going to sign them. Full throttle, top feathered all the way back. The variable pitch propeller works like the gears in your car. Okay, we have it. We have the altitude. Now we're going to put the stick forward, get 130 miles an hour to enter the loop. Strap in, folks. Up and over. Right There she is weightless, hanging by the feet. Now she gets pushed 3.5 times the force of gravity.
Brave girl, Rachel. You do that.
I'm scared of heights.
We won't get up at him.
Now let's see if she does her patented maneuver that nobody else can do. She's a yoga instructor. Alright? So let's see if she can do her special K maneuver and bring her foot right up over her head. Yes, she did it. Look at that. You've got to be really nimble to be able to stick your leg all the way up over
See
her
if
head.
Chuck can do that.
Then shallow glide, but you get down in. Chuck, being a wing walker himself, knows just what the wing walkers need, and he provides it for them. All right, get ready to get your poster signed, ladies and gentlemen. She's going to be signing your posters as we set up the landing. And another super slip to the right. Stick to the right and rudder to the left. Side slipper down. There we go. Lance King right here has your posters, ladies and gentlemen. Step on up and get a poster. She's going to be signing them.